to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Hi fairies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So I know your girl has been gone for a minute now, but I am coming back better than ever because your girl is sponsored by Sally Beauty for this one. Yes, y'all, I did not stutter. I said Sally Beauty. You guys know I've been using their products for the past 4 to 5 years now since I first came on YouTube. It is such an honor for me to be sponsored by them, for me to even be signing a contract with Sally Beauty because you guys know they are legendary. So definitely shout out to Sally Beauty for sponsoring this video, and I can't wait to do more videos with them. So for this video, I decided that I wanted to go a color that you guys have been throwing in my comments for the past couple of videos, and that is copper orange hair. We are approaching fall. We are almost in the middle of August, and I'm already thinking about fall. I don't know about y'all. So I went to the hair colors that I know is going to give me the exact color that I needed, and that was the L'Oreal Haircolor highlights in copper. And I also went ahead and put some copper red at the ends of the hair, and I also did pick up a few other things you guys are going to be seeing in my later videos.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide.
So I just went ahead off camera and mixed up that copper color with that 40 developer. I recommend that you guys use the developer that they say on the box. I've used other developers before, but it's a certain type of consistency that this product really needs in order to really work to its full potential. So I just took that color copper and just put that all in the beginning of my hair. I'm going to be using Shambrey Hair per usual for this video. You guys know I pretty much only use Shambrey Hair moving forward because they have super quality Indian hair, curly to straight to natural wave, anything you name it, your girl is going to be doing for a video, period. So I'm going to be using their new Oriental raw Indian hair, and I use 6 bundles of 34-inch, and I also use an HD frontal that is 13x4, and that frontal was 22 inches. Honestly, hands down, this is my favorite hair for coloring hair. If it has to do anything with bleaching, anything with taking a black color and turning it into a different color, I'm going to be using this Oriental raw Indian moving forward. I feel like it took the color superbly. I feel like it did a really good job of bringing all that vibrant color to this hair. And I just honestly feel like, yeah, we did use 40 developer, but I only let this hair color sit on the hair for 10 hours. I know you guys are like, what? 10 hours? That's still long. Listen, when you want to have a super vibrant hair color with this L'Oreal Haircolor highlights, the longer you let it sit on your hair, the lighter it will be in the outcome.
It's a remedy, 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 Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking. But say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment.
So like I said, I did let this product sit for about 10 hours, and these are the results, and I'm just going ahead to rinse that out. And this is when a disaster happened, because I did tell you guys on my Instagram, if you guys are not following my Instagram, make sure you guys are moving forward from this video. But I was rinsing out the hair, and I'm doing little slow-mos because this hair is so beautiful, you guys, and it's so strong. I did go ahead and shampoo and condition the hair with products from Ion. You guys know I've been using Ion for forever now. Anytime I color the hair, whether it's with blonde hair, black hair, whatever, I always make sure that I go ahead to shampoo and condition my hair. All the products that I use for this video will be linked down below. In the process of shampooing and conditioning the hair, I did put holes in my lace. Your girl finally got long nails again and didn't know how to act, okay? So this is the hair pretty much 70 to 80% dry. You guys know that I don't like to blow dry my hair unless it's at least 80% dry, and then I will go in with with my Hot Tools blow dryer, which is also from Sally Beauty, to blow dry the rest of the hair. And then we will move on to fixing the holes in this lace, honey.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know?
So this is the infamous hole. I ended up doing about 3 big holes, not on purpose, you guys, obviously by accident. But I did ask you guys on my Instagram story if you guys wanted me to put in the video of how I closed all the holes in my lace to make it look brand new again. So the first thing you want to do is take some clear transparent thread, and I'm just going to loop that through my wig cap. At first, when I first did this, I did loop it through the actual lace, but I saw that that definitely did not work. So I was like, oh my gosh, I need to put this through the wig cap because that's the only way it's going to be able to knot for me to start to sew onto the lace. So that's what I did. And then once I put it through the wig cap, I then moved on to putting it through the lace and then just closing up those holes. Like I said, I had about 3 big holes in this lace, and I just took my time going ahead, double knotting my thread and just pulling that through just to close all of those holes. This is pretty much the end of the result of me sewing my lace closed, and you guys can see whether I'm parting it sideways, front ways, horizontal, vertical, you guys do not see any holes present anymore. So after I went ahead and closed all the holes in my lace, I'm just going ahead to do my regular customization of my lace, taking my Hot Tools hot comb, which you can get from Sally Beauties as well, and also my Denman straightening brush, which you can get at Sally's. Like I said, everything that I'm using in this video that you can get from Sally Beauty, I will make sure that I put it in the links down below. Okay guys, so I am just showing you guys how the hair looks. The hair came out so beautiful. I did not expect for this L'Oreal to permanently color this hair like this so vibrantly. I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy that it ended up just doing one process of this dye, because this took me so long to put this dye in this hair, y'all. And I also ended up using 27 boxes. Yes, 27. I will put down below the exact ratios that I did for each color so you guys will be able to replicate this wig as well. But I did show you guys the inside of the lace, and you guys can see that I have no holes present. Everything is pretty much closed, and then I'm just going to have to fit the wig on to make sure it fits pretty snug. The only thing I can say is because I did sew the lace a little bit smaller because of the holes, it did make the ends of the lace a little bit shorter for my head, which was no worries because I am doing a middle part. But just know, if you guys do have a hole in your lace, keep in mind that it will be making the lace smaller, so most likely you're gonna have to just do a middle part and just call it a day. So moving forward with covering up the lace even more and making it more realistic and natural, I'm just going to take some foundation powder. I'm going to be doing a video of doing a start to finish wig later on in my videos. I already recorded it. I just have to go ahead and edit all of my videos for you guys to put out, and I'm just going to be doing my install per usual. I do have a video already out of me using a product to just lay down my lace. If you guys are interested, I would definitely make sure that I leave that video down below as well. But like I said, if you guys want to see a more detailed version, go ahead and check that video out already on my channel.
Me of the past, but you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? but I wanna try again. You're not listening, no. You keep saying you'll change, but we both know people don't change it. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone. Thought I was clear, I'm not your friend, I'm not the old me. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know.
So this lace is laid and your girla is slayed, okay? I'm just gonna finish off this entire look with any flyaways, spraying my Sebastian Shaper, which you can get from Sally Beauty per usual, and that is pretty much it, you guys. This is the look. I do go ahead and show you guys how the ends of the hair looks, how strong it is, the different vibrancies and highlights and lowlights of the different coppers and copper red, and honestly, I'm literally obsessed with this wig. As stated before, it is 34 inches and it does come about a little bit past my butt, and this is the ending results, you guys. Like I said, I'm so obsessed with this. If you guys are too, make sure you guys thumbs up this video because this video was so fun. Like I said, I'm so happy to be back, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.